Welcome to the Love Hub channel, where we discuss matters of the heart and give relationship advice to women. In today's episode, we are going to discuss how you can make Christmas more romantic for him. Remember, the Love Hub is a judgment-free zone. We don't judge women here. We are your safe space. Now let's get to the topic. Number 1. Set the mood. You don't want to spend Christmas in a messy, chaotic place. So if you want this holiday to be special for the both of you, then clean your space up a little bit. Add a few decorations. Make it a warm and inviting place. Again, this is a special holiday. The two of you should be able to enjoy it, and you should be able to just kick back and relax when you spend time together. You don't want to spend the holidays cleaning around the house and trying to get everything in order. So try to set the mood by cleaning up the space and making it more inviting. Another thing you can do is put up little pictures of the both of you, something that will remind him of the wonderful memories that you share, memories that he will cherish. Number 2, have a cozy Christmas movie night. I know women tend to go for Hallmark Christmas movies. They're everywhere. And that's something that your man probably won't want to spend 2 hours of his life on. But there are a lot of Christmas movies out there that appeal to both men and women. This is the perfect time to bust out those Home Alone movies and watch it together. Have a laugh together. Enjoy these close moments with each other. Have a little bit of hot cocoa and just kick back and relax in your sofa and cuddle up while watching cozy Christmas movies. Number 3, Christmas lights drive-through. I'm sure somewhere in your city or in your town, there is a place where there are a lot of Christmas lights and decorations that are set up so that people can come in and just drive around and take it all in. That's something that you can do. A lot of these places are even doing it for free, so you don't have to spend on this date night. It's also an opportunity for the two of you to just kind of be away from the rest of the world and just drive around in the car and be together. Enjoy the closeness on a cozy Christmas evening. Number 4, wrap gifts together. It doesn't sound like fun, I know, but trust me, you would prefer to do this with your man than doing it alone. Take this as an opportunity to go through the gifts that you've bought for your loved ones and maybe just share a little bit more about them. If the two of you are just getting to know each other, this is the perfect time to kind of really know more about the other person. Like, why did he get this for his brother? What's the meaning behind that? Or is this something that his mother likes? Is this something that his father likes? Take this as an opportunity to get to know each other more deeply. And gift wrapping may not be the most fun thing in the world, but you do get to spend time together. And this could be a start of a new Christmas tradition for the both of you. Number 5, see the Nutcracker Ballet. I know, this is not something that your man would probably want to do. He would probably rather play video games than go see the Nutcracker. But this is the perfect opportunity for the both of you to support your local ballet company. Remember, a lot of these companies are small. A lot of them are being supported by ticket purchases or donations. So why not do a little bit of good and enjoy a night at the theater? Number 6, pick out a tree together. Even if you don't live with each other, you can still do this. You can go join him when he picks out his tree, and he can join you when you get your own tree. It's just a nice way to kind of bring your relationship to the next level. When the time comes for you to decorate your tree, you could invite him over, and the two of you can put up ornaments together. Ornaments that mean something. For example, a picture frame of the both of you. You can even hang up old Christmas cards that he gave you. It's just something that is more romantic and more meaningful. Number 7, plan a party for friends. Celebrating Christmas with your family will be an amazing event, but don't forget your friends. So maybe a couple of nights before you spend Christmas with your family, Throw a little celebration with your other loved ones and do it together. This is also the perfect time for you to get to know each other's friends. So if you haven't completely met all of his friends yet, this is the perfect time to invite them over and get to know them. Now, planning a party can be really stressful, so try to keep in mind that this is an activity that should be relaxing and fun for the both of you. When you start disagreeing on the small things like the color of the table setting or the type of foods that you will serve, keep in mind that you are doing this for fun. Put more importance on the memories that you are making together. Remember, this isn't a competition on who can plan the better party. This is an enjoyable activity for the both of you, and you are making memories that will last you a lifetime. Number 8. Enjoy a candlelit dinner, even if it's just in your home. Remember, there are so many ways to make a Christmas night romantic. It doesn't have to be out there in an expensive restaurant or in some kind of glitzy Christmas destination. You can have a cozy romantic night even just within your home. Set up a little table, put some nice flowers on it and some candles, and enjoy a home-cooked meal. The two of you can either cook the meals together or you can cook it yourself. There's nothing wrong with making a night more special and more meaningful for your loved one. The best thing about having a candlelit dinner in your home is that you are in charge. You can decide if you're going to go really formal and dress up all nicely, or you can just stay cozy in your pajamas. Remember, the important thing is that the two of you are spending time together. And if he really loves you, any effort that you put into this special little dinner will be greatly appreciated and will be remembered for the rest of his life. Don't be too hard on yourself if you're not able to come up with a 7-dish gourmet meal. Remember, this is about spending time together, and I can assure you, if he really loves you, even if you just made him a simple dish with a few little candles and a nice little floral centerpiece, this is something that he will remember and cherish for the rest of his life. Because remember, guys like it when we baby them. They like it when we make them feel loved and appreciated. And little things like this is going to stick in his mind for a long, long time. So these are just some of the ways that you can make the Christmas season a cozy and romantic one. Remember, when you love each other, the important thing is the time that you spend together and the memories that you create with each other. You don't need a luxury Christmas getaway or an expensive gourmet meal at a 5-star restaurant. Just being together should be enough. If this video resonates with you, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. We love hearing from our family, and we hope that you have a wonderful and romantic holiday with your loved one. Until next time.